PubMed is one of the largest biomedical literature databases in the world, but manually collecting citations, abstracts, and metadata can take hours. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically extract PubMed citations using the PubMed Citation Scraper by PuzzForge, and you can find the link in the description down below. This actor lets you collect structured biomedical citation data directly from PubMed. You'll get titles, authors, abstracts, publication dates, and more, all exported as a clean dataset you can use for research, reviews, or analysis. This is perfect for literature reviews, systematic reviews, citation tracking, meta-analyses, and staying up to date with medical and biomedical research. So, how does it work? You can search PubMed in two ways. You can either paste the URL, you can get the URL from any search or advanced search you do. You simply copy it and paste it in here. Or you can do a more filtered search with the inputs that we have here. Just remember to use the PubMed syntax. If you have any questions on how to use it, you can consult the PubMed help section. Once you've input everything, you select the maximum number of items you want scraped. We'll leave it at 20 for this one. And then you can start the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. For this one, we'll leave the search pretty broad and we'll just run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row is a result, and it includes the PubMed ID, article title and URL, full author and list with affiliations, journal name, publication date, amongst other things. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file, and this is perfect for reference managers, spreadsheets, or research pipelines. With the PubMed Citation Scraper, you can turn hours of manual literature searching into just a few clicks. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.